Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our next topic based on the problems related to time distance graph and problems based on principal and simple interest. So let's see the statement. Question number 2. Ajit can ride a scooter constantly at a speed of 30 km per hour. Draw a time distance graph for this situation. Use it to find time taken by Ajit to ride 70 km and the distance covered by Ajit in 3.5 hours. So firstly, in statement speed is given. Speed of scooter is 30 km per hour. So that means scooter covers 30 km in 1 hour. So we make firstly a table which is a relation between time and graph. Now speed is 30 km per hour means in 1 hour how much distance covered? 30 km. So 1 hour is time, 30 kilometer is distance. So in 2 hours by unitary method we find if in 1 hour distance covered is 30, so in 2 hours distance covered is 2 into 30, it is 60 kilometer. Similarly in 3 hours 3 multiply 30, that is equal to 90 kilometer. And in 4 hours 4 into 30, that is 120 kilometer. Right? So we make a table here and then draw the graph. Take time along the x-axis and distance along the y-axis. And we locate the points. First is in 1 hour 30 kilometer. So 1 hour may 30 kilometer. We locate point here. In 2 hours point is 60. In 3 hours the distance is 90. In 4 hours distance is 120. And then join the points and it is a linear graph. It is a line graph, right? Now in first part the question is find the time taken by Ajit to ride 75 kilometer. So how much time taken if the distance covered is 75? Now distance 75 is in between 60 to 90 here. It is 75. Join this line to the line and then draw the perpendicular line on the x-axis. And we see here the time is 2.5 hours. In second part, find the distance covered by Ajit in 3.5 hours. Now 3.5 hours is between 3 and 4. So now draw the line here from here and then from this perpendicular line on the y-axis, and we see this point 105 between 90 and 120. So in second part the answer is 105 kilometer, and in first part the answer is 2.5 hours. In second part it is 105 kilometer. Okay, now see the next problem based on principal and simple interest. See the question. Third, a bank gives 9% simple interest on deposit. Draw the graph to illustrate the relation between the sum deposited and the simple interest earned. Then find from your graph these values. Okay, firstly we draw the graph. Now here 9% rate of interest is given, 9%, right? That is on a simple interest. Now we have to draw the graph which is a relation between the sum deposited and the simple interest. So firstly we draw the table between principal and the simple interest. Simple interest is based on the principal. So simple interest is a dependent variable and principal is independent here. Now we take principal 100 rupees. Rate of interest is 9. For 1 year we find interest is rupees 9 by the formula P into R into T by 100. Similarly, we take 200 rupees principal, then apply the formula and we find the interest 18 rupees. If the principal is 300, then again apply the formula of its simple interest and we find rupees 27. And so on, we find the other values here. Then we draw the graph between the principal and the simple interest. As the simple interest is depends upon the principal, so we take principal along the x-axis, which is an independent variable, and simple interest depends upon principal, so take it along y-axis. So see, and then locate the points. At 100 rupees principal, simple interest is rupees 9. 200 rupees principal, the simple interest is 18. 300 rupees simple interest, 300 is principal, simple interest is 27. At 400 principal, simple interest is 36. And at 500 principal, the simple interest is 45. Then join the points and find the other values which are asked in the question. I hope these questions are clear. Do be part yourself with this. Thank you and have a nice day.